up, guys? It's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. Alright. We're back at it again. So, I'm going to be buying the market once again today. Boom. There we go. And my goodness, I'm going to have to close this trade manually. Wow. And that was very fast, actually. So, what happened was that going off the rules I traded strategy with, I tried to leave the market with a certain amount of pips, and the market had gone way above that. And this has happened about 3 times today already. So going through my account history, you can see all the trades I've taken today. So if you notice, I leave the market with a very little amount of pips, and using this strategy, this particular one that I have been using today, you can get about 10 to 15 trades a day. And as you can see, I have not taken a lot of trades, but the ones that I took have all hit take profit. So imagine if you get into 4 of these trades a day, you're looking at leaving the market with about 10 pips, and 10 pips every day for 1 week is 50 pips secured. So like I said, this channel is very practical. I'll not only tell you how to make money, I'll take it a step further. I show you guys how to make money trading live with my personal funds, for you guys to know how to save yourself from your financial desperation of trading the Forex market. Some of you will be able to figure this out, and a lot of you will not, because you're not at that level of awareness where you can trade the way I have traded the market over the few days. You have seen the level of consistency that I have been able to achieve. So for those of you guys that just need to keep practicing, keep being persistent, and stay perseverant, you need to hold on in there, because those 3 things I mentioned will keep you in the game, but they do not guarantee you making money in the game. If you still do not get access to the right knowledge that will change your game for good. A great trader never loses money. So I have taken a couple of trades today, so nobody can give me the excuse that money cannot be made every day, all day trading. Literally. So with that, I think I have made over 25% or around 25% of my account scalping in 2 days. This is easy, this is consistent, this is how to make money. So nothing special going on here, just a regular guy sharing his trading experience. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. If you have any questions about how I trade, how I look at the market, feel free to reach out to me via my WhatsApp, via my WhatsApp. The link will be in the description. Or if you want to get access to any of the memberships, you can visit the website. Clinton signing out from Dubai. This is probably going to be my last trade for today, showing you guys how to be consistent, how to take your trading game to the next level. And hey guys, have a nice one.